Yeah, there's this David Webb. He hacked into our CTOS. He can't go unnoticed. Take care of him.
You're no Aiden Pearce.
You're right, because I'm better.
Yo, Harvey. You lost him? How long have you been working for me? 4 or 5 years? If you want to experience 6, find him. He's armed and very dangerous.
Keep walking. What do you want from me?
Does it even matter? My dad owns the CTOS. He put one finger on me, you'll be dead within a week. So why not you just disappear, which I can arrange?
Looks like you got something to hide.
Even if I did, my dad can get me out of jail within 6 hours. Speechless?
Dmitry Stoyanov has just been arrested by the FBI due to incriminating evidence found.
Have you had your fun? Now that I'm out of prison, I will end you. Did you really think you'll take it all by yourself?
Maybe I can't, but we can.